I'm gonna make my peanut butter fudge. Our youngest son's been asking me every day, Mama, do you feel like making fudge? So now that I'm feeling better, I'm gonna make it. And I know there are so many different peanut butter fudge recipes out there. I have tried a few, and this is the one that my family always really likes. It's only 4 ingredients. And I'm trying a different pan this year, so I hope it works out. I've got 2 cups of sugar. And I've got a 1/2 cup of evaporated milk. Now we're going to pour the milk in with the sugar. Get this stirred. And we're going to let this come to a boil for 3 minutes. Once it comes to that boil, you're going to cook it for 3 minutes. Now you want to keep stirring it. Just try to stir it in the middle. I've already stirred too much and got some granules on the side of my pan, so the fudge may come out grainy. I don't know. But you do want to stir it the whole time that it's coming up to the boil. It's come to a boil now, so I've got the timer set. I'm going to try it for 2.5 minutes and see what it does. I've always did 3, but I think I'll try 2.5 minutes. It's boiling away now. Okay, I've removed it from the heat. I sprayed my little utensils with Pam. We're going to add 7-ounce container of marshmallow cream. You want to try to get this stuff in as fast as you can. I did just do it the 2.5 minutes. I'm going to see how it turns out. If it don't turn out, then I'll make it and cook it to 3 minutes. I don't know why, I just felt like changing it up and trying something a little bit different. I got 1 1/3 cups of peanuts, or peanut butter, not peanuts. Well, they's made out of peanuts, wasn't they? And I sprayed my spatula to get that to get all out of there. And now we're going to start mixing. And we're going to get all this mixed all up. Sorry about that. This phone's flipping every which way. I got this all mixed up, and I'm going to put it in a 8 by 8 buttered dish. I can hear that grit on the side of this, so I'm going to only try to get this out of it and not do the sides. This is so easy to make, and it is so good. I know some people make it in the microwave, and however you want to make it, that's good. Now I'm going to set this in the refrigerator to let it get good and chilled. Probably about a couple of hours or so. And then I'll be back. Well, I got the fudge out. Took me a piece out of it. We're going to see how this is. That's really good. I think from now on I'll just cook it 2.5 minutes. And it turned out really good. Hope everyone has a blessed day. Remember, it's going to be okay. I love y'all, and Merry Christmas.